Hey there guys, this is Sean Fritz with SF Communities. Today we're shooting the Gray 1,682 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath. It's an awesome plan. It's one of our newest in the Classic series. You've got to check it out. Okay guys, welcome to the inside of the Gray. What's exciting about this plan is it's a 4-bedroom. You know, a lot of times people have a big family, they need 4 bedrooms, and this one's got it. Okay, so you're walked in and you've got this nice open foyer, and like all of our plans, David, if you kind of keep on coming this way, very nice and open. Now this particular plan actually has some nice hardwoods in it. There's some options that we've put in here, but man, this house looks so awesome when you have these hardwoods in the entry. Now you kind of come over through this plan, so you got this great big open grand room, and then you come in here and you've got this nice little breakfast dining nook over here, and you can see you got 2 windows here, which is very, very light. Actually, I'll have David pan back over here. It takes you into the garage here, and you kind of got your room here where you've got your washer and dryer, and that leads you right into the garage there. Now coming back over here is you've got an awesome little kitchen that's nestled in here, and this is a real cool thing that we've got, a little covered patio on this one. So a lot of our plans don't have that covered patio, and this one makes it really cool. This has got a nice open kitchen here, and you can see it's got a ton of cabinets. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cabinets. You know, again, for a plan that's 1,682 square feet, this bodes really good because it's got a lot of space and a lot of places for dishes and cups and all kinds of stuff. Great kitchen, and I love this little patio that's covered back here if it's raining outside or if you want to go out here. And you know, someday if you ever want to screen it in, it's a great back patio. I'm going to bring you back this way, and we're going to kind of head towards the bedrooms. You know, a lot of times in plans that are 13, 14, 15, 1,600 square foot, really difficult to get a 4-bedroom plan to work, and this one has a 4-bedroom. That's why it's a great floor plan. Coming here, you have a little coat closet in here. So when you come in here, David, you've got you got one of these bedrooms that's back here. This is the first one, and then you've got a couple other here. Again, these are going to be 10 by 11, 11 by 12 bedrooms. They're good sizes. You've got a nice little closet in here, so we'll keep on moving here. Coming back here, you see you've got 2 closets here. You got a coat closet here, and you got a little linen closet here. Again, coming back in this one's probably a foot bigger than the one that we just stepped in. You can see kind of the depth through here, but nice size. Again, you got a nice walk-in closet here. You can see this one walks in, you know, a couple of feet, so it's a good size. Okay, now we're going to come back to this one over here. Okay, now this one again is about a foot and a half bigger than the first one that we walked, but it's a great little size in here. These are really good sized bedrooms. They've got a nice little, you know, light from the windows in here, and of course you've got a nice little closets in here. Okay, so we're going to be kind of coming back into the hall area. Another thing that you're going to find is we really like to separate the masters from the other bedrooms. So you'll notice we haven't walked the master yet because it's all the way at the front of the house, and that's kind of cool. So I'm going to have David walk in here, and I'm just going to talk as he walks in. This is a very nice, spacious. One thing that I want you to point out in this one is you get a dual vanity as you're coming back here, but this is a really nice bathroom for these 3 bedrooms, and they're all in line right across and very convenient for them. Okay, so now he's coming back out. We're going to kind of move back over towards the front of the house, so kind of on the other side. So all the way back there is the bedrooms. So then you come into the retreat back here. And as always, SF Communities, we're committed. We continue to work and work and work on getting these good-sized masters. Again, 1,682 square feet, and don't hold me to it, but probably in the 120s this house is, and we may have it in some locations under 120, but for the most part. And so when you're buying this, you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 feet, 5, which is 15, and then you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're getting a 15 by 16 or a 15 by 15, which is a very, very spacious master at this price. This price point is unbelievable. Again, you come in here. This particular one's got a few options and upgrades. You got a beautiful vanity with a nice kick set there for a chair to kind of do makeup and stuff like that. This one's got a nice little shower door as an option in here, but is awesome in here. And again, it's got that 48-inch shower, which is great. You've got your, you know, your linen closets in here. You've got your tub. And this one's got a nice closet in here. So you can see it's spacious. It's got, you know, 3 sides for clothes and stuff like that. This is a great house. This is the gray. You've got to come out and see it. We've got about 4 locations. It's one of our newest plans in the Classic series, and it's a 4-bedroom. Again, that's the significance of this plan, but you'll love it. It's the gray. Come see us.